Morning, dear students. So last time we have done that how we can charge the battery and how the discharge reactions occurs. Okay. Now today let us further move to the next topic. So efficiency of battery, how we can check that. Okay. So basically before efficiency of battery, let us understand how this capacity of a battery is denoted. Okay, so basically it is expressed in ampere hour. You know that whenever we have to purchase any mobile phone, let us take an example. At that time we see the ampere hour rating of the battery. Okay, so the reason for that is, as you all know, if ampere hour rating is more, so it means you can use it for a longer duration. It will not discharge quickly. So that is basically the capacity of a battery, and it is basically expressed in ampere hour. Okay, so the quantity of electricity which a battery can deliver during a single discharge until its voltage falls to 1.8 volt per cell. We are talking about lead acid cell here. You know that in lead acid battery per cell voltage is 2 volt. Okay, so if when you use it and when its terminal voltage uh, drops to 1.8 volt per cell, okay, up to that how much electricity it can deliver, that is basically known as ampere hour. Similarly, next we have efficiency of a battery. So if you have to see the ampere hour efficiency, it is given by a ratio of output ampere hour during discharging to the input ampere hour during charging. That is basically known as ampere hour rating efficiency. Then energy efficiency, it is again ratio of output watt hour during discharge to the input watt hour during the charging of the, this ratio is basically known as energy efficiency. So this is how you can find out these two. Now this is very important, that how we can know that whether our battery is fully charged or it is half charged or it is fully discharged. Okay, so to understand this there are different methods, but this method that you are seeing here, it is very, you can say, common method which is used to check the charging state of the battery. This is basically a method in which we check the specific gravity of the electrolyte with the help of one instrument known as hydrometer. Now as you can see on right hand side, there is one figure where a person is handling a hydrometer, and there is one you can say one ball is there. By pressing that, you can suck the electrolyte in it through that vent. Okay, so when you suck the electrolyte, there is one float in it. In this instrument there is one float. On that float, different uh, values are written for a specific gravity. Here in this chart you can see those values are given. Okay, if the float represents up to this 1.280 to 1.290, it means your battery is 100% charged. This is the position tells us that your maximum voltage means charging state of the battery. Whereas as it drops because of discharging, if it reaches to this value, it means your battery is fully discharged. So this is how you can check the specific gravity with the help of this hydrometer.